Welcome, friends. My name is Lidija, and I come from Pawpaw, Slovenia. Today, I'm sharing with you a truly special, exotic, and healthy, gluten-free cake made from the incredible Asimina fruit, also known as Pawpaw. And of course, this is my little helper, Blony the cat, who always keeps me company and fills my kitchen with joy. This natural fruit has an amazingly creamy texture and a flavor combination of pineapple, banana, and mango. The PRIMA is variety produces large fruits up to 500 grams. The sunflower is varieties smaller but also delicious. I will now separate 6 egg whites and yolks. First, I beat egg whites until stiff. Then I beat yolks, almost light in color. To the whipped egg whites, add 2 teaspoons Indian tripodec for better binding and easier digestion. I will add now 6 tablespoons gluten-free flour. This cake is not only delicious, it's something truly special. I can't wait for a piece of cake. Add 6 tablespoons powdered sugar. Thank you so much for watching. Every like, comment, and subscriber helps me continue sharing delicious, healthy, additive-free recipes from my home kitchen in Slovenia. Add the beaten egg yolks and mix everything together until smooth. The dough will be very tasty and light. The dough is really easy. You can also make a very tasty roulade from the dough. Pour the batter into a moistened baking tray. Bake in a cold oven on 180 degrees or 356 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Prepare a mixture of warm water plus vanilla bourbon sugar and pour it over the baked cake layer to keep it soft and moist. Just stir and let it cool a little. I'll make some sweet cream. I just whipped the cream until it's completely thick. I cut the Asimina fruit into halves and remove the seeds. The seeds are not edible. The skin of the Asimina is also not edible. Fruits can be hollowed out or peeled. It's easier for me to just peel them. It's a bit of work, but it's worth it for a good cake. Asimina is extremely rich in vitamins, minerals, macronutrients, antioxidants, and carotenoids. It has special properties and has the highest protein content of all fruits in the USA and Europe. Due to its low fat content and high vitamin content, it is very suitable for a healthy diet. It is very filling due to its fiber and creamy texture. It has very good antioxidants, such as acetogenins, carotenoids, phenolic compounds. These substances have an anti-free radical, anti-inflammatory, and cell-protective effect. You can read the rest in the video description. I add fresh lemon juice to the fruit to prevent it from turning brown. I add extra vitamins, which are never too many, and improve the taste even more. I just make a small hole to prevent the seeds from coming out of the lemon. Good trick! Now I'm going to squeeze a whole lemon. I'll chop the fruit a little more so that the lemon will soak in nicely. Now I'm going to add the fruit to the whipped cream. And I'll mix it all together well. The cake layer has cooled beautifully, light, soft, and perfect. Now I'm going to pour the batter with melted sugar, vanilla, and bourbon to make the cake nice and moist. Now I'm going to add the fruit and whipped cream mixture. Now I'm going to design it nicely so it looks completely homey and simple. I'll add a little more coconut flour for a good taste. Now I'm going to add some chopped pistachios on top. It will look even nicer, and pistachio is also very good. Now I'm going to blend some more Asimina fruit and add lemon juice. I'll mix it all together with whipped cream and use it for homemade decor. Write me in the comments how your cake turned out. Did you enjoy the Asimina flavor? If you need help, I'm always here and happy to assist. I love connecting with people from all over the world who enjoy natural, healthy, homemade cooking. Look how good the cream is and how delicious it is. I will decorate it in a completely homemade way. The cake looks truly homemade from natural ingredients. Unique fruit flavor nobody forgets. This cake is not only delicious, it's something truly special, a Slovenian exotic treasure. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here, wishing you health, happiness, and delicious food every day.